What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and it is great to see you guys again. Today, I've got a 1999 Harley Davidson lowrider. It's the Dyna. This guy did some custom work to this thing. It's very clean, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see exactly what is on this bike behind me. All right, let's do it. There you go. Starting off there, you can see some of the chrome. All that stuff. Got the skull there and the battery cover just in case you've always wanted one of those. There is your rear tire. You got new tires, pretty new tires on this thing, front and back. A lot of tread on there. Guy did some custom things to this bike, so you guys can benefit from that. It is in 99, so it's the 88 cubic inch motor. There's your rear fender. You got the blacked out taillight. License plate holder. There's your turn signal there and there. Those also have the smoke covers. There's the side of the rear fender. There's your rear coils there. This does not have any rust in there in the coils. The coils look really, really clean. There you can see it's got the spoke wheels. I think this might have solid wheels on it originally, but it's got the spoke wheels on it now. That's what it looks like. You can see your rear brake there. It is belt driven. We'll see that in a little bit. There's the swing arm. Does have the Vance & Hines pipes on it. Gives it a good sound. And as I pointed out before, got the skull battery cover, just in case that's what you were getting all excited about. There's the rider peg and the rear brake. So this does have the 88 cubic inch Harley Davidson motor. It just has the S&S Super air cleaner on it. Does not have the actual S&S motor in there. There's that. All this chrome cleaned up really, really nicely. There's the side of the tank. Got the Harley badge. Definitely has like definitely a different seat on it there with the orange flames. Come up here, you can see the grips. Got these bar ends on it. Got the not sure what they call those mirrors. Kind of like the pointed mirrors there. Has leather covers on the levers. Here you can see the cables. Got the risers there on the bars. So this bike has a totally different front end with the inverted forks. I think those came off of a wide glide, but that all looks really good. Got the dual disc front brakes. See all that stuff. Again, I just want to get close in here. This chrome all shined up really nicely. I literally just like wiped it down. This has a different headlight on it. You can see that there. Got the front leather bag. There is the front fender. There's a mark there on the front fender right there at my pointer finger. I want you to see that. Make sure you check out the test drive of this bike that Sean does. It should be up on YouTube. There's your front tire. Lots of miles left on that tire. Lots of tread there. You see the wheel from this side, and you can see the fork tubes from this side. Again, shined up really nicely. Just like wiped them down. It was good to go. There is the front turn signals. They are also smoked out. I don't think I showed them on this side. See the handlebars up here. Again, got this mirror. This mirror's a little loose. I'm not really sure how that is. I guess I could probably just need to tighten up that nut on the bottom. There's the lever. Again, it's got that leather cover on there. Got the bar ends. Got the aftermarket grips. Here's the tank here. All shiny, no dents, dings, or scratches to be found there. There's that Harley badge. I think the guy put a little bit of a newer badge on there. That does not look like the 99. There's the motor from this side. Got your horn cover. Got your rider peg, shifter. There's a lot of room here between the peg and the shifter. I think that would need to be adjusted. There is transmission here. See put this extra thing on the kickstand. Got your rear peg, your belt guard. Again, you see these springs are in nice shape, not rusted at all. There's not really like any dirty marks or like rusting or pitting on this bike, which is nice. This chrome and this belt cover, really, really nice. Up here on top, you can see the passenger seat. That is the Harley Davidson seat. And you got the orange flames there on the rider seat. A good, comfortable seat. And up over the tank. See, he's got the gauges down here in the tank with the tachometer and the speedometer. And I'm just gonna turn this on really quick. You guys can see the mileage. 33,040 miles. Make sure that you check out the test drive video that Sean does of this bike. There'll be a few more miles on it after that. Fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. Give it a second. Here we go. There's that. I'm going to just give you guys a full 360 view of this thing. And I'm just going to make sure the signals work. There's your reverse signal on that side. And your reverse signal on that side. Up here, you can see your front signal there. And your front signal there. Alright guys, like I said, it's a 1999 Harley Davidson Dyna. It's the lowrider with the 88 cubic inch. Do not miss out on this bike. Make sure you check out the test drive that Sean does of this bike. It'll be up on YouTube, and thanks so much for watching.